Welcome. If you've ever wanted to tidy up your Instagram chats by deleting a specific message just for yourself, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest and simplest way to remove a message from your view in an Instagram conversation without affecting the other person's chat. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your direct messages. You'll see all your recent conversations here. Scroll through your chats and tap on the conversation where the message you want to delete is located. Once you're inside the chat, find the exact message you wish to remove from your side. It could be something you sent or a message you received. Either way, the process is the same. Now, simply tap and hold on that message. After a brief moment, a menu will pop up with several options. From the menu, look for the option that says Delete for You. Go ahead and tap on it. Instagram will instantly remove the selected message from your chat view. Remember, this action only deletes the message for you. The other person in the conversation will still see it unless they also choose to delete it from their side. This feature is really useful if you want to clear up old messages, remove something you no longer need, or just keep your chat organized without deleting the entire conversation. It's quick, easy, and doesn't notify the other person, so you can manage your messages privately. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've successfully deleted a specific message for yourself on Instagram chat. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your social media apps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.